Hello and welcome to today's video. I have an Astra J here. I'm going to be changing the pollen filter, which is located behind here. So you will have to take this off, so you will need some tools, which I will just pull out now and show you. So you'll be needing a 7mm socket to take that out. One's located there, one's over there, and I assume there's two at the bottom, which I will show you shortly once I remove these two. So I've loosened that. I've loosened one on that side. Now just right underneath it you will see one over there. So from here down to there, it's at the bottom. What you will also have to do is, on the left hand side of your vehicle, you will have to take this off. So this needs to come off. As you can see, it has clips in there, so I would be extremely careful whilst taking this off. And there's one here that also needs to come off. It just needed a bit of a wiggle woggle. Just take this off, which is the interior light of this basically. So get that off. So let's move that out the way. So basically your pollen filter is located over here. Simply just needs to come out. As you can see over here, this is like a clip that you need to pull outwards, and that should come off. So you just pull it out basically. And there's one on this side, which is the tricky part, but if you've got small fingers you'll be able to do it. Just pull and out it comes. And that is why you need to change the pollen filter. That's a prime example. Simply just give it a clean over and fit the new one in, and then we'll work backwards. So basically I've just fitted a crossland one in. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. On many of these filters you usually just get an arrow instead of the writing airflow, so make sure it's pointing downwards. And that's it really. I'm just gonna put it back together now. So how did I just get that in? Basically lifted it up, and at the top there is like a little tiny gap that you just push it into, and then it will hold on. Then you can align it up with all of your, wherever the nuts go back in, and then I've got the Android system fitted in, so I've got lots of wires coming from all over the place. So make sure they're tucked in properly, and then fit this back panel back on. As you can see, I've tightened all the screws. They're all in, and so is that one. I put this wire behind there so it's not in the way when I'm inserting the last panel. And after that, job's a good one. Thank you for watching.